Alright, so I know it's been a little while since I recorded. I've been really busy, and I didn't really have too much content that was YouTube worthy because I had to wait for, some progress. So, today, progress will be getting made because we are fixing the E38. So I have a mechanic coming, and he does E38 stuff, timing chain guides, blah, blah, blah. So he's going to drop my front oil pan, torque the bolts to spec, change the oil pressure sensor, which is the one that's in the front oil pan, and new filter, blah blah blah. So we'll be all set with that. And then I decided that I have something that may be of use to a lot of people, and I'm like, why don't I do a giveaway? So when I get to 3,000 subscribers, I believe I'm like 400 and something away, so it shouldn't be too long. Plus, I'll be bringing out more content, so the growth will continue. So what I decided to do is this. I'm going to give my old gimbal setup away. So this is about $150, $160 worth. It's a Zhiyun Crane 2, so you can put smartphones, and you can even get you could even put a GoPro in it as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. I used to use it. I'm giving the shotgun mic away, and the I don't know what this is called, but the little thingy the mount that I put for it. So I can't really do it now because I only have one hand, but the way that I connected this was I put the thingy to the stand mount thingy to grip around the gimbal handle, and then it worked perfectly. Then you could just turn the mic forward to record your voice and turn the mic backwards to record whatever you're recording. This is a great setup. It's good for a budget, and everybody has a phone or a GoPro or any type of action camera. Everybody has at least something. And I want to give back to my subscribers. I've done little giveaways before in the past, and yeah, now I'm giving this away. And it comes with the gimbal comes with the carrying case, so I'll be including that with the charger. Also, I'm not sure if I showed it before, but I grabbed this. Give me 1 second. I grabbed some black kidney grills for the front of the E38. Boom. It's gonna look a lot better. And the tabs on the silver one is broken anyway, so I decided to go get the black ones. I like the look of it. Matches the trim, so the car is gonna get a little bit of a facelift. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Yeah, it's all plastic.
Yeah. Alright, so you guys can probably see it in there that there's some whatever this is stuck in the pump, and I'm very glad I didn't drive it because that would have been it for the engine, and that would have been a very expensive replacement. So yeah, and I'm gonna put Pat's information for anybody local who wants to get work done, because yeah, this is definitely really clutch to just have it all done in my driveway, and then I can go about my business afterwards instead of having to go drop it off half an hour, 45 minutes away, get a ride, and do all the extraness. So yeah, it's the old oil, and it's the old filter right there. Gonna replace all that. I have the parts in the trunk, and then yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing today because I thought this would have taken far longer, so I guess I can actually plan to have some sort of a life today. If anything, I'll probably see if there's any meat, and if there is, I'll get some clips of it and whatnot, or I'll shoot what's his name? I don't remember his name at the moment, but he has a nice modified 335i, and you can probably go shoot that car and do whatever else. And I'll also see if JD and Raymond with the RSX and the EK hatch are around doing anything today. And if so, we could also shoot those cars. So we can probably have quite a bit of footage in for the next few videos, all done in a day, or between today and tomorrow, and then you guys will see all that footage. Because like I told you guys last time, I have to get an update because he finished putting in the turbo K-swap engine, and that's fully built, and we're gonna go back up to New Jersey like last time for tunes, so you guys will see all that. So I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Is the new sensor, came with hardware luckily. I mean, I'm pretty sure the one that I have is good, but I mean, the typical BMW, while you're in there, why not do it type of thing. So that's what we're doing. And I was actually looking at these, like, well, online. I didn't actually know that they have the same engine as a 7 Series, so I may actually grab one because they do come factory bagged and everything like that, so maybe a good option for a nice winter car. First drive. I believe I need an alignment, but I'm going to wait until I do the suspension and stuff. But it feels so good to be driving my car. Like, oh man. Now, just 2 more vehicles to fix. And then, you know, we'll be all set. So right now I'm going to go to the ATM with the guy. He's behind me. And we're going to, what do you call it? I'm going to give him his money for a job well done, throw in an extra couple bucks, and again, his information will be in the description because his prices are insanely good. He does chiming chain guide labor for $1,000. Shops, the cheapest shop that I saw charge $1,700, so just think about that. So yeah, it's definitely a good guy. Works quick. He said he gets it done in 11 hours, which means he starts in the morning and he finishes by night, which is also way quicker than a shop, because a shop, they do it in 2 or 3 whole working days, and usually parts and labor you'll be paying around $2,500 to $3,200 for that job. So yeah, it's definitely somebody that you guys should be hitting up if you're local. New England area. He drove out to me, so you know the vibes. Okay, so that's the black grille and that's the chrome. I just have to, you know, get a little bit of a detail on it, but yeah, they're kind of hard to take off, so I can't really record it and do it at the same time. So I'll just show you the finished product, and it looks a little bit better too. So yeah, because it's just a better look. So yeah, they look okay from afar, but up close the fitment's trash. So I'm gonna have to buy another one. Luckily these were free, but still, like, damn, the fitment is really bad. And I wouldn't be surprised if they fell off soon, but I do know that I like the black, so that's what I'm going to do. But for now, I'll get to you guys in the next clip.